everybody, and welcome. Here's what we're going to be coating the seats with, this ceramic coating. It's called Leather Shield. Comes with some cloths, it comes with an applicator, it comes with the liquid itself in the clear box. Read the instructions, pretty simple. Essentially, we put the liquid ceramic on the applicator and then wipe down the seats. Let it dry and we're good to go. And I think we're going to do 2 coats. So let's scope it out. Seats are essentially brand new. I'm going to check them out, make sure nothing's on them, and we're going to get this show on the road. The seats here in the Model Y are essentially new. There's only 600 miles of range here on the Model Y. I'm going to go over and dust all the seats, make sure none of the dust is in place. Make sure nothing is on the seats themselves. So I'm going to go do that now. I just wiped down all the seats. Like I said, it's only 600 miles of driving here in the car. And I used my favorite glass cleaner to clean with some suspected spots. They came right off and the seats look great. All right, I'm going to get some gloves on here and we'll start the process. I think we're ready to go here. So here's the procedure. These little suede cloths here. This is a little foam rubber, and you put the suede over it, and then you hold it, okay? And then you put a few drops out of the ceramic onto the suede, and you wipe it down with the suede. So let's get to it. All right, so here's the suede, and I'm gonna see if I can put a few drops on this, okay? See how that works? All right, so let's go do it. All right, I want to cover it kind of even. Okay, put a few more drops here. Okay, cover the bolsters, down the cracks, onto the seat, right into the seam. Is take just the cloth and a few drops here, and I'm going to go into the hidden spots along the edge of the seat. Hello everybody and good morning. Yes, it is the next day. This is the first coating of the seats. They look a little mottled, but that's really the light. I've got weird lights here. As you can see my shadowy hand here, I've got all kinds of points of light here in the ceiling of the garage. But from my point of view, it really looks great. All right, we're going to do one more coat here on the front 2 seats and call it complete. So I'm going to get prepared and we'll set up and do that. I am getting ready to put the second coat on the 2 front seats. Got a little less than half of a bottle, which is fine. Probably use another maybe a tenth of the bottle, not much. I've got a new chamois. And I've got a little block here, I'm not sure where it is, but it allows you to make a flat surface using the chamois. You can kind of see here, I sprinkle a little magic juice on this. It's like that, and we're ready to go. There you go, second coat applied. Looks like we're down to just about a quarter of a bottle. I guess that would be good for touch-ups. I'm not sure what else I'd put it on, but I'll leave the quarter of a bottle here. I've got several of the suede cloths available still, so I can still go. So we're gonna let this dry and have a look at it when we're done. And we'll consider the front and back seats ceramic coated. The ceramic coating here in the Model Y is complete. I finished up about an hour and a half ago, and it's mostly now set. There are so much of shadows here, which makes it look modeled. You see all my hands? So the pictures from the phone don't give it justice. The finish is exactly as stock. It is a flat, and you wouldn't even know it's on your seat here. Let's have a look at the passenger side. Here's the passenger side, same. Again, it kind of looks modeled from all of the lights, different angles, shadows. Doesn't look even, but it is truly even, and it's exactly the same as stock. I'm very pleased with the outcome here of putting the ceramic coating on the seats. I did 2 coats on the front seats, and on the back I did 1. I've got a little left over for touch-ups or whatever else. I also did the armrest. I normally put my arm there, and I think a little extra protection is probably the way to go. If you liked today's video, go ahead and click the like. And if you would, please subscribe. I would certainly appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in the next videos, and take care.